The most interesting feature of certain animal groups is that all members serve the greater good through a unique role within the colony. So this is the main clause here. All members serve the greater good through a unique role in the colony, and the further part of the sentence after the comma explains how. So these are subordinate phrases. This explains how these members serve the greater good of the colony, and therefore this part should not be parallel to this part. Serve the greater good and working. This is the correct way of putting it. Remember, parallelism is not about making everything parallel. Parallelism should be among parts of the sentence which play a similar role in the sentence. So these two parts, this is part A here and this is part B here, A and B. These two parts joined through this and have to be parallel because they are playing the same role. Each part is explaining that how this what is done. What is that all members serve the greater good, and these two parts are how. So choices which do not have a working in them can be eliminated. So choices B, C and D can go. There are other problems also, such as even though here changes the meaning, this comma and take up construction suggests that it is a list when it is not. C, A, comma, B, comma, and C is the construction when it is a list, and the last element is joined through a comma plus and. So had it been a list of three things, first thing here, second thing somewhere here, and this being the third thing, the last term in a list, then this would have been alright, but no, this is not a list. As I explained, one part of the sentence explains what, and then there are two parts of the sentence which explain how. So this construction is a problem. Introduction of a subject here is a problem. Here also this they is not needed. So there are other problems also. You're left with A and E. Let's take a closer look at them. It very much boils down to choosing the conjunction here, and or yet. Yet would be preferred if there is a contrast in the meaning, and if you see closely, yes, there is a contrast. These members serve the greater good. Working seamlessly together, they are working together, so that's one kind of information, and they are taking up highly specialized and distinct roles. This term distinct is very important. It conveys contrast, and since there is a contrast in the meaning, yet would be preferred, so A can also go. Let's confirm choice E once. Perhaps the most interesting feature of certain groups is that all members serve the greater good of the colony through a unique role within the colony. So they have a unique role within the colony, working seamlessly together, yet contrast, taking up highly specialized and distinct roles or tasks. Makes complete sense. E is the correct answer choice.